Hey y'all, Kevin here, and this is Pure Reviews, where I review all kinds of products. So if you are new to the channel, be sure to hit that subscribe button. And in particular, if you find this video useful or helpful, be sure to hit that like button before you go. Maybe even leave a comment that simply says thanks. Really helps the channel a ton, and I greatly appreciate it. So today's product is available on Amazon. I've included a link in the description that'll take you directly to the product page where you can see the current price point, see if it's on sale, all that lovely information. But what is it? So today's product I want to share with you is absolutely a perfect way to keep your house nice and clean, and it is simply some microfiber cleansing cloths. So these were sent over by a company called S&T INC, and they are absolutely great for all your dusting needs and keeping everything in your house nice and clean. So this comes as a 50 pack. They are color coded, so you can get 3 different natural coral looking colors. You're gonna get this very muted kind of peachish color. You're gonna get this nice beige color here, and then you're gonna get this just creamy color here. So color coding is kind of nice because you can basically set up like, oh, I'm gonna use the cream color to clean, for example, like the toilets. Maybe the kind of beige color is what I'm gonna be utilizing to clean the mirrors. So that way you're not doing cross-contamination, especially with chemicals. But why I love these things is they are super, super soft and very, very gentle. So you can utilize these when it comes to cleaning glass. You can utilize these when cleaning electronics, so like your TVs, your computer monitors. They're very, very soft and they won't scratch any of your devices. Now, to give you an idea of the size here, they are 11.5 inches by 11.5 inches. You can easily, they are very reusable. You just simply toss them in your washing machine, in your dryer, and they're gonna be clean and ready to go again. They have a nice edge stitching here, so that way you don't have to worry about them fraying or anything like that. They are very, very absorbent. So if you're utilizing them to clean up any water or messes or anything like that, they soak up the water very, very well. Also, when you're utilizing Windex and whatnot, you can go ahead and spray them down and it lasts a very long time. They're also streak free, so I haven't had any issues when cleaning glass or anything like that with them leaving any sign of streaks or anything like that, or leaving behind any of the lint pieces. So everything looks nice and clean, which obviously is important because that's what you're wanting to utilize these for. Now, due to the size, if you do use one of those dry duster moppers like a Swiffer, for example, these do fit those, so you can also utilize them for dry or wet mopping. Just go ahead and spray it with your favorite solution, and then go ahead and mop up your floors with those kind of devices. But overall, if you're just looking for a great size pack that's color coded, that has a lot of neutral colors, it's very easy to utilize, these microfibers are totally worth checking out. If there's something I haven't quite covered that you're a little curious about, feel free to hit me up in the comment section. I do typically respond to those. That is it till the next video. You guys take it easy. Later. Congrats, you made it to the end of the video. Thank you very much. Greatly appreciated for the support. Be sure to hit that like button on the video. It really, really does help out. And if you have not subscribed yet, go ahead and hit that subscribe button and hit the notification bell if you want to get notified when new videos come out on this channel.